If you work with power supplies, batteries, chargers, or DC-DC converters, a good electronic load is not optional, it's essential. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Alientek EL15 DC electronic load, a compact but powerful 150-watt programmable load that supports CC, CV, CR, and CP modes, plus battery and dynamic testing. Let's see if this mini load really delivers professional-grade performance. Inside the box, we get the Alientek EL15 electronic load itself. A pair of testing probes, a USB Type-C power cable for powering the unit, an XT30UF connector, a detailed user manual in English and Chinese, First impression, it's solid. The full aluminum CNC machined casing feels premium and durable, not like cheap loads. Build quality and design. On the front, we have a 1.9-inch IPS LCD with a resolution of 320 by 170. It's bright, sharp, and very readable from different angles. At the side, you'll notice 4mm gold-plated banana jacks, which make quick and reliable wiring. There's also an XT30 remote sense input, which is extremely important for accurate voltage measurements under high current. Cooling is handled by an intelligent fan system. The fan speed automatically adjusts based on load power, so it stays quiet at low loads and ramps up only when needed. Key specifications overview. Let's talk about the numbers, because this is where the EL15 really shines. Voltage range, 0.1 to 60 volts. Current range, 0 to 12 amps. Maximum power, 150 watts. Resolution, 1 millivolt and 1 milliamp. Weight, about 300 grams. Despite its compact size, this thing can handle serious power. Operating modes explained. The EL15 supports 4 main operating modes. Constant current, or CC. In CC mode, the load draws a fixed current regardless of voltage changes. Perfect for testing power supplies and chargers. Constant voltage, or CV. Here, the load adjusts current automatically to keep the voltage constant. Great for voltage regulation testing. Constant resistance, or CR. This mode makes the load behave like a resistor. As voltage changes, current changes proportionally. Constant power, or CP. In CP mode, the load dynamically adjusts current to maintain constant power, following P equals V times I. Battery testing features. One of the standout features of the EL15 is battery testing. Capacity test, or CAP. The capacity test discharges a battery at a constant current and calculates the real capacity in amp hours or watt hours. You can set cutoff voltage and time to protect the battery. Internal resistance test, or DCR. The The DC internal resistance test works by switching between two load currents and measuring voltage drop. This is extremely useful for checking battery health and aging. Power supply testing and dynamic modes. Dynamic test, or DT. Dynamic test mode alternates between two current levels automatically, simulating real-world load changes. This is ideal for checking transient response in power supplies. Auto test mode. In auto test mode, the EL15 gradually steps through different current levels, records voltage, current, and power, and generates a full test report. It can even detect and log short-circuit current. Advanced functions. For advanced users, the EL15 includes list test and scan test modes. List test, multi-step programmable current profiles. Scan test, smooth current ramping between low and high values. These features are typically found in much larger and more expensive electronic loads. Safety and protection. Safety is well covered with 6 protection mechanisms: over voltage protection, over current protection, over power protection, under voltage protection, over temperature protection. This makes the EL15 reliable for long test sessions. Pros and cons. Pros: compact size, high power density, accurate measurements with remote sense, excellent battery and dynamic testing features, premium aluminum build. Cons: no PC software interface. A 150-watt limit may be insufficient for very high power testing. Final verdict. The Alientek EL15 is an impressive mini DC electronic load. If you're a maker, repair technician, or electronics engineer working with DC power up to 60 volts, this offers incredible value in a small footprint. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe for more electronics content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see tested next. If you are interested in this 160-watt powerful beast, check out the link in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.